Thank you guys for clicking on my video. Welcome to the channel. Let's get right into it. Today we have Playa Ermitaño for you guys. This is in Samaná, Dominican Republic. As you guys can see, this is the road path you would take if you wanted to get to Playa Ermitaño on foot. The hike takes about 1 to 2 hours. I suggest you guys get there early because it will take a while, especially on that dirt road. I suggest you guys take a 4x4 because that road is not good whatsoever. So since we didn't have a lot of time, we actually decided to turn back around and get a boat. The guide only charged us 3,000 pesos, give or take, which is actually $50 to $60. And the ride through the water was awesome. As you guys can see, the waters are blue and clear. Man, I have never seen anything like it. This was by far the best beach I've ever been to. I mean, just look at the view. Just look at it. It's breathtaking. It's mesmerizing. It's incredible. I've never thought it would be this great. Honestly, I recommend everyone go to Dominican Republic just to see this beach. Actually, the best part about the trip was the fact that we had it all to ourselves. Man, we couldn't choose a better day to go. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this clip as we're arriving, and I'll be right back. Wow. Yeah, wow is right.
No doubt.
Here we are, we made it to paradise. This was such an incredible experience, especially being there by ourselves. We got to have a lot of fun, we got to enjoy the beach. So I suggest if you guys want to have an experience similar to ours, you go during the week. Here I go, jumping in the water. I just couldn't wait. Man, if you want to talk about turquoise water, you gotta mention this beach right here. Can you guys tell I was excited? Oh yeah, you know what we doing right here. We had to go and explore the little island that's right next to the beach. Actually wouldn't have been hard at all to swim over there, but we threw the life vest on for safety and we were off. To the island we go. Let's go see what's over there.
Pies, con los pies.
And we made it to the other side, so here we are at the island. We almost drowned. We risked our lives for this. I'm just joking, guys. But anyways, if you guys are liking the content so far, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the clip. As you guys saw from that last clip, the view from there was amazing. I felt like I was on top of the world. And this was the small amount of sunlight we got that day. Chemtrails. Sorry about that. But regardless, we had a lot of fun. We enjoyed it. Hope you guys are enjoying it as well. If you guys haven't watched part 1, part 2, and part 3 of the series, make sure you guys go check it out. I go over a lot of history, and as you guys know, Samaná has a lot of history. So anyways, we are going to continue from where we left off during last video. To refresh your mind a little bit, remember that many African Americans freed in the US did not accept the limited options for people of color in that country and fled on boats bound for the Caribbean, envisioning in Samaná a future of freedom and prosperity for their descendants. While these migratory processes were taking place, the Samaná Bay was imagined by the empires of the Atlantic world as a space of commercial interest for the exploitation of its resources and also as a strategic naval port. Due to the excellent conditions of its port, it was coveted by the European powers of Spain, France, and England, and also by the United States. When France tried to retake Saint-Domingue, which is Santo Domingo, the capital of the Dominican Republic now, General Leclerc used Samaná as a base to start the military campaign against the insurgent forces, meaning the indigenous, who were fighting for their freedom. Today, above all, Samaná is usually associated with tourism and the beauty of its nature. However, in the 19th century, the beaches of Samaná were associated with naval power and the international struggle for maritime control. The presence of military infrastructures on the French map shows that the bay was a strategic site in the political history of this Caribbean region. Later, after the 15 years of independence that followed Haitian rule, the Spanish annexed the Dominican Republic again. They made a military effort with the construction of fortresses to consolidate their dominance over the bay. In a Caribbean context, with constant rivalries for control of ports, Spain sent military engineers who tried to protect this valuable enclave by ensuring control over Samaná. After restoring their sovereignty and gaining their independence, the Dominican people had to face a new power, the United States. In 1871, a North American scientific commission arrived to study the possibility of annexation by visiting the country. While passing through Samaná, they interviewed their neighbors to find out their opinion about being part of the United States. In his lengthy report, there are many pages devoted to the Bay of Samaná and its importance for annexation. But the annexation did not happen. On the one hand, due to the lack of support in the North American Congress, and on the other, because of the Dominican resistance to accepting it. We cannot forget how the people of Samaná carved their own history contradicting imperial narratives. The people of Samaná made this piece of land their home, despite all the political intrigues that affected them. Now we know why the Dominican Republic has the words God, homeland, and freedom in their flag. The last 2 episodes definitely hit different. Samaná history surprised me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had to jump in one last time before we left. Man, we had a great time. It was incredible. Playa Ermitaño. Everything will be down in the description. So if you guys are ever in the Dominican Republic, make your way to Samaná and make your way to Playa Ermitaño. It was a great trip. 100% recommend. And if you guys liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that good stuff. And as you're leaving Samaná, you will see this famous cave on your left. Or if you're going to Samaná, you will see it on your right. Either or. We had to stop and get a look. And look at that sunset, y'all. What a better way to end this video than with this beautiful sunset with bright colors and an amazing view. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.